Welcome to 5825 Crooked Oak Drive, located in Hobe Sound, Florida. This single-family home offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, you enter into tile throughout the first floor. Tile is done on a diagonal, and the walls are textured. A living area as you walk in, combination dining area. The dining area has 2-story ceiling and a doorbell that works. Here we have another living area with French doors leading out to the private patio. A large kitchen which offers dark wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, double oven, kitchen island, and a large walk-in pantry. There's also recessed lighting in the kitchen. We have a separate laundry room with washer and dryer, a sink, and plenty of cabinetry. This home also offers a 2-car garage. Upstairs we have 4 bedrooms. Here's the master bedroom. The master bedroom offers a large walk-in closet and a large bathroom. Separate shower and a Roman tub, double sink, and beautiful cabinetry. Thank you for viewing our property at 5825 Crooked Oak. You can apply online for any of our properties, and we accept credit card payments through PayPal for any move-in cost.